Vancity is a really good example of very forward climate thinking bank. And the goal of the banks in today's world is we're seeing a pretty large transition from what we would expect to be climate policy into climate risk. And so the banks and the insurance sectors are very, very quickly coming up to speed on kind of equating that risk in the programs, whether that's funding or whether that's in the banking system. And of course, that's having a side effect on the homeowner because costs of insurance and costs of capital are moving and costs of many supply chains are changing because of climate risk. So Vancity is looking to really increase the data quality that they have, and both to evaluate their portfolio, but even more importantly, to have conversations with customers. Right, so that's a really great time to have a conversation with a homeowner on potential retrofit, and that decision point for a homeowner is now more and more what's the operating cost, what's the climate impact, what's the comfort, what's the safety associated with this building when I'm going to buy a new building. So we're seeing way more attention to those conversations early in the ownership journey for a homeowner.